We must hold hands tightly inside this big toy store.
I see many wonderful games and cool toys over there. This section has the most amazing things for children. Look at that spectacular large robot toy on the platform. The electronic robot is moving its metallic body so well.
I want to check the price label on this game box.
This dancing trick is very funny and beautiful to watch.
This puzzle board game looks very perfect for our family party.
Where did my father go? He is not standing beside me. I cannot see his blue shirt anywhere inside this food lane. The store is too big, and I feel completely lost now. Father! Where are you? Please answer my voice quickly today. I am very frightened because I wandered away from my father. I must find my family before the store lights turn off.
Look at this box, Leo. We can buy it now. Leo! Where are you? Please call back to my voice. I must find my little boy inside this crowded store immediately.
I am walking near the front register, but nobody is here. Please help me find my father. He wears a blue shirt. Look over there. I see a familiar royal blue casual shirt.
Leo! I am running to hold you safe right now. Thank goodness. I have my little boy safely back in arms.
I was so scared, Father. I will never leave your hand.
Never wander away from your parents inside big public stores.
You are a very smart boy for staying near registers, Leo.
Always stay close to your family to prevent getting lost.
I promise to hold your hand and play safely always.
Let us walk outside to the car cabin together now.
Our store shopping trip was very fun and completely successful today.
Open the side doors and place your travel bags inside safely.
I am fastening my safety seat belt because safety comes first, always.
Now our whole family is safe and ready to return home.
Following parental rules makes every outdoor trip much smoother and safer.
A true team wins with fair play and honest hearts always.
I am very glad we are all safe and together now, Leo.
We are walking inside this giant toy store today.
Ha 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 ha! Look at all the beautiful toys on these shelves. I want to buy a small plastic whistle today. This toy whistle is very small and looks fun. I will find a quiet corner to play now. Look at these sticky white labels on the counter. These sticky numbers are very cool and bright red. I am carrying these sticky labels down the lane. This giant black quadcopter drone toy looks very awesome.
This large box has a very big price sticker.
I will peel this big number tag off box. The sticky tag is in my fingers now. I will leave my small whistle here for a second. Let us stick this big number onto the whistle. The new big number looks very funny on it. I have my favorite green whistle back in hand.
Let us walk over to the front counter now.
We are going to buy this fun toy whistle. Here is my small plastic whistle for the clerk.
Good morning, young girl. I will scan this item.
Oh my goodness! This tiny whistle costs $100!
What? That tiny plastic whistle cannot cost so much money.
Oh no, I do not have enough coins for this.
Look here. There is a drone price sticker on back.
Someone changed the price tag sticker on purpose using hands. Leo, step forward and tell me the absolute truth now.
I peeled the big number off the drone box. I am very sorry. I only wanted a silly trick.
Do not tamper with store merchandise or price tags ever. Changing the numbers on objects is completely against store rules.
I will fix the price tag on this whistle now.
The correct price for this small toy is $1.
Here is $1 bill for my daughter's whistle.
My fresh toy whistle makes a very loud sound now.
Honest behavior makes our shopping trip much safer and happier.
I promise to follow the rules inside every store. Playing fairly and keeping the rules makes our family life better.